Laptop SSD, not showing after replacement. You just installed a brand new SSD, but it is nowhere to be found. It is frustrating. I know the feeling. Do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home right after watching this video. We are going to walk through this step by step. If you face any difficulty, please comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Tech Vibes. The first place to check is your BIOS settings. Sometimes the motherboard does not recognize the new drive automatically. Restart your laptop. Repeatedly press the F2 key or the delete key. Look for storage configuration and check if your SSD is listed. If the drive shows in the BIOS but not in Windows, we need to use disk management. This is the most common fix. Right-click on the Start button. Then go to Disk Management. You might see a pop-up asking to initialize the disk. Choose GPT and click OK. Your drive will show as unallocated space. Right-click it and select New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to assign a drive letter. If it is still missing, we need to check the Device Manager. Outdated drivers can sometimes block your new hardware. Go to Device Manager then to Storage Controllers. Right-click and select Update Driver. Choose to search automatically for drivers. If software fixes fail, it might be a physical issue. Sometimes the SSD is not seated perfectly in the slot. Turn off your laptop and unplug the battery. Reseat the SSD carefully at a 30-degree angle and secure the mounting screw. Check the BIOS, initialize in Disk Management, update drivers, and verify the physical connection. One of these will solve it. You have got this. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. See you in the next one.